Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable curly fall deco mesh wreath. What you will need: a 14-inch wreath ring, 6-inch deco mesh, Chanel stems, scissors, and a rotary cutter. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so first thing I've done is cut all of my mesh into 8-inch long pieces, and I've cut my stems into thirds. Sometimes I place the stems on the wreath ring prior to adding the mesh, and sometimes I make my bundles first and then place them on the ring. Both ways work, it's just personal preference. I kind of just switch it up depending on the style of wreath that I'm making. I'm going to show you how I make my bundles. I'm going to start with the brown, roll it at a cute little curl, just like that. Take my green, roll it at a cute little curl, crisscross, yellow at a curl, crisscross, and orange. Cute little curl and crisscross. So I'm crisscrossing all 4 pieces to where all 4 pieces are visible. One is not hidden behind the other. And I'm just going to scrunch it in the center. Take my stem, wrap it around, and twist it a couple of times. Just like that. And you can kind of flare it and fan it out. Now you can make them all the same order, the same color order, or you can kind of switch it up. You can make it just like sporadic, or you can have a system to it. Either way, it doesn't matter. I just kind of go down the line and just alternate the colors. That way all of my browns aren't on the bottom and I don't have all of my orange on top, because that'll make the wreath more orange. But when I alternate the colors, each color is equally visible, and that just brings the wreath together, makes it look more like meshed together and really cute. If it doesn't matter to you, or if you do want it mostly orange based, then just go with whatever look you're going for. So last time I started with brown, this time I started with green. Still, I'm crisscrossing, overlapping them, making sure none are hidden behind the others. Just like that. And scrunch it in the center. And twist it a couple of times. You can fan it out. So again, you can see different colors are visible, and it's going to mesh really well once we place it on the wreath ring. Alright, I'm going to get all the bundles made, and then we'll start placing it on our wreath ring. Alright, so I have all of my bundles made. We're going to start placing them on our ring. So I have 4 pieces of mesh in each bundle, and I'm going to have 3 bundles in each of my 6 sections for a total of 18 bundles. Outer, inner, outer, outer, inner, outer, all the way around the ring. So I'll place my first bundle and twist it a couple of times and then tuck it away. Next, we'll have the brown on top for the inner. Place my bundle, twist it a couple of times, and tuck it away. Then we will have green on top for back to the outer. Place it and twist it a couple of times, and then tuck it away. So you can see outer, inner, outer. I'm going to continue going, but I'm going to have the yellow on top this time. And then back to my orange on the inner ring. So I'm still alternating my colors, and I'm also alternating outer, inner, outer. So I feel like this just makes the wreath making process so much faster when you have all of your bundles ready and they're laid out in the color order, and you can just kind of grab it, place it, and keep it going. So that's 2 sections done already. Alright, I'm going to continue working and show you the finished product. So I have all of my bundles in place. I'm just going around flaring out my bundles, making sure I don't have any like random gaps or spaces, flaring them and adjusting And it's looking so cute and precious. Again, I went with 3 bundles in each of my 6 sections for a total of 18. But you can definitely kind of push it to the side and add more bundles if you'd like, even 4 or 5 bundles for each section. It just depends on how thick and poofy and curly you want your wreath to be. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments, any leaves, flowers, an adorable sign, ribbon, bows. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make.